Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I've been asked by a lot of people to do a very in-depth walk around of the Pontiac. The windshield right now is kind of dirty again, but there are no cracks. All the curved glass in the car is perfect. Some of the flat glass, as you guys can see right there, flat door glass is cracked, but all the important parts that are curved are absolutely perfect. No cracks, nothing like that. No rust on the hood. There's no rust in this body of this car whatsoever, except for some of the floor pans have already been cut out nicely and need redoing, which I'll show that here in a minute. But rockers, door jambs, everything like that, very, very, very solid and nice. You can pretty much see exactly what you're getting. Obviously everything's been stripped in the car. Had a lot of rain, so it's a little wet inside, but as you can see, some of the floor pans have already been cut out, but like the frame and everything that you guys can see there, beautiful. Hardly even any surface rust for its age. So I would just do these. The rear pans don't need anything. It's just literally this front pan right here, and that front pan needs to be fixed over there. You can see somebody tried to tack in a pan already, and it just doesn't look good. There's the rear door jamb. You can see that's already been nicely cut out. So it really gives you a good way to see, underneath the car. Again, here's the frame here. It's really, really solid and nice, not crusty, not gross at all. Very, very solid. To my knowledge, this has always been a California car. But with it being gutted like this, it's very easy to see everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shut this back door right here. All the doors shut really nice. That is shut. And just need some WD-40, obviously, but other than that, it shuts really nice. No rust around the back door or back window. I would have to get a screwdriver to be able to open this door because that did latch the other day actually when I shut it, so I'd have to get a screwdriver and put it in the hole there to open that. I'm not going to do that right this minute, so I'll just get more from this angle. But as you can see, rockers are beautiful. I'll try to get some underneath shots here in a minute too. Try and keep this somewhat short and quick so I can send it to people. That door shuts really nice. Kind of try to do the best I can under the car, but it's very clean. Alright everybody, so there's the Pontiac. If you have any questions, my contact information will be in this video. It's currently online for $3,500. That is firm. I have other cars that I would like to move on to, so please don't ask me if I will accept an offer. That is a firm number. Thank you so much. Have a good day.